this video, we'll do a simple example of break-even analysis. Let's suppose we make widgets, and the fixed cost of our widget factory is $7 million. It costs $45 to produce a widget, and we're selling them for $80. We believe annual demand is 130,000 units. We want to know how many units we have to sell to break even, or how many weeks it'll take to break even. So what we have to do is figure out basically the units to break even that would make the profit equal 0. So what's going to be the profit? So it's going to be the price minus the unit cost times the units to break even. We've used range names minus the fixed cost. Okay, so we're going to have to basically change the yellow so the red hits 0. So we'll go data, what if analysis, goal seek, set profit to 0 by changing the units. 200,000 units will break even. That makes sense because we make $35 a unit. 200,000 times 35 is 7 million. So the weeks to break even. Well, first we figure out years to break even. So that's going to be 200,000 divided by 130,000 annual demand. And then weeks to break even would be that times 52, right? 52 weeks in a year. So it's 80 weeks to break even. So now what happens if we've got this small factory? So we'll make this 3.5 million. And unit cost $60 and do the same thing. So go what if analysis, goal seek. We're going to set profit to 0 by changing our units to break even. And it's 70 weeks to break even. So small factory, 70 weeks to break even. The small factory is better. And we can ramp up if we want by basically maybe running some overtime. So in that sense, it's also better.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.